What's up, peeps? Thanks for joining me. My name's Damon Warren, and on this channel I share my tech information and I go on adventures. Today I got the new Wyze headphones. They got active noise cancellation and the wireless, right? These just came out. They're new. So these just came out. They have active noise cancellation, high fidelity sound. They got this transparency mode so you can kind of hear things around you. It's got Alexa built in and it's wireless 5.0. It has an audio cable so you can actually use the audio cable to go in. Okay, so let's open this box up and see what we get inside. So it's nice packaging. My first impression on these headphones is they're nice and sturdy. They have a metal feel to them. Inside the cups are nice and soft, and they have the L and R for left and right actually inside the headphones, so I like that. And they feel nice and secure. They feel sturdy. Your buttons are on the outside. It's got USB-C. It's got your volume up and down. It's got the power button and the Bluetooth linking button, and it also has the input for the headphone jack. Now inside the other box we have a pouch. Nice soft pouch to put everything in. It's got 2 pockets in it, and you also get the quick start guide, and you get a sticker. And then on the other side you got your USB-C and your headphone jack cable. Well put together package, nice presentation. Now hooking it up was fairly easy. You turn on the headphones, it goes into pair mode. You pair it to whatever device that you're going to be using it with. It links to the Wyze app, and that gives you a couple extra features. There's a firmware update. Firmware update took about maybe half an hour or so, and it actually lists what the firmware update includes, downloads to the device, and then transmits it to the headphones. You have a couple different modes for the noise cancellation. It's active noise cancellation. Inside the app you have your different settings, and there you go. Real easy setup. Oh, yo, that's the Wyze headphones. Yeah, I like them. The response is nice. They feel nice and light. They got this cushion at the top. The cushion is just very light. Noise canceling, it's just like a vacuum. You just get pulled into it. And the one special thing on the right earphone, if you cover it, you can set it up in the app, but if you just put your hand over it like that, what it does is it kind of doesn't mute the music all the way down, but it mutes it so you can hear what's going on around you really fast. So you can just cover it and, oh, you were saying something, and then uncover it, and then you're right back to where you were. The other thing, when you take off the headphones, they stop. So if you have your music playing and everything, when you take them off, the music stops. Stops right there, headphones, so you don't have that noise going on over the side. So as soon as you put them on, it starts back up, you take them off, and it stops. I did use them with my glasses on. No pinching, not a lot of pressure. These cups are nice, and I'm really kind of digging them. I would definitely say grab them. Oh yeah, and the price is around $50. So for $50, not even just for $50, just for as a set of headphones, these are good. These are definitely good. There you go, Wyze headphones. You got any questions, hit me up in the comments on Instagram or anything like that. Thanks for being here. Remember, take care of each other. Peace out, and I'll see you all soon. Now I'm gonna get back to getting my groove on.